Ding dong, I know you can hear me. Open up the door. I only want to play a little. Ding dong, you can't keep me waiting. It's already too late for you to try and run away. Ding dong, I know you can hear me. Open up the door. I only want to play a little. Ding dong, you can't keep me waiting. It's already too late for you to try and run away.
Gano'n ka daw, ma'am? Anong sila eh? Anong sila? Ay, gano'n mababa. Mababa muna ay. Yeah.
Richard, I'm sorry to say this, but the feedback from our clients is not good. I guess you're not fit for this job. What happened? Need someone who's good with our clients. Richard, I'm sorry to say this, but the feedback from our clients is not good. I guess you're not fit for this job. What happened? Need someone who's good with our clients.
Hindi ko inaasahan. Tanggap pala ako sa trabaho.
Kumusta, Toy?
Saan? Napatawag ka?
Wala eh. Tanggal ako sa trabaho.
Ah, ganun ba? Punta ka na lang dito sa Batangas para makapag-unwind ka at saka may pupuntahan sana ako, balak ko isama ka doon.
Ah, ganun ba? Sige. Kumusta San?
Ayos lang, ikaw?
Eto, it's been a while since I have been here. Batangas. Teka. Ano to? Alam mo kung ano to? Ano ko? Anyways, saan ba tayo pupunta?
Si Martina.
Anong Martina?
You will find out soon, Richard. It's written on your destiny.
Destiny. Ayusin mo muna English mo.
Hey, Insan. What are you doing?
A trap
A trap for what?
to capture Martina.
Martina? Ba't kailangan mong hulihin si Martina? Ano bang Martina?
You know, Insan, naubos na ang mga lahi ng butiki at musang dito.
So yun ba yung kinakain ng Martina? Okay. Gusto mo ba tulungan kita? Sige. Okay. Is this okay? Okay. Yeah. So how do we capture this one? How does this work? Let's rest muna, Insan. I'm so tired.
Okay, let's rest there.
Ay. Pwede na siguro to. Yeah. Ay. Ano tayo?
Patay na si Tata Unsing!
Ang sumpa.
I won't stay here for long.
What can we do for you to stay? We really need you. Without you, our village will be in ripe. We won't be in peace. Please help us.
In one condition.
Yes, we will do anything in return.
You need to remember for your village to continue to flourish.
But what if we forget?
Then tell it to your children. This way, no one will die.
But what if they forget? The children, they inherit our forgetful traits.
Then they shall be reminded.
Oh, Toy. Nandyan ka.
Alam mo ba na sabi ng mga farmers dito may naririnig daw silang iyak ng mga bata?
Sus, naniniwala ka pa dun? Tingnan naman yung totoo.
Hindi ba sinabi sa'yo ni Tito Rudy na makikita na natin dito ang Martina tapos they'll teach them how to speak by sniffing their tongue bit by bit?
Anong ginagawa mo, Toy? Bitawan mo yan. Ano to? Tatay! Help me! Wait! Can you see that? It's a white bird. No. Ito. Martinez. Martinez, you'll kill me. Wait. I have my cousin. Right. Where's my cousin? Wait. Are you my cousin? Are you my cousin? Son? No. Pinsan kita? No. Pinsan? Cousin! Is that you? Nasaan ang pinsan ko? Gupal ka ba? Ba't mo ako iniwan mamatay? Sakit na lang binti ko.